Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and we got a good one. We're doing some math tonight, so let's take a look at the question. It's a short one, and let's jump into how we're going to solve it. A 5-acre lot has a front footage of 300 feet. How long is it? Well, what do we know about front footage, right? So if we're taking a lot, okay, front footage, if this was the street, I'm drawing like a little double yellow line, right? This is the street with a little car. We'll put little wheels on it, okay? Boom, it's going that way. The front footage is always the one kind of closest to the street. So this right here would be our front footage. So that would be 300 feet. If you wanted to kind of just be able to figure this out in your head. So we're solving for this side right here. We know what this all is because that's 5 acres, but what we need to do is convert that into feet. So we take our acronym that helps us remember how many feet are in an acre, and that's 4 old men going 35 and a 60, right? 4 old men going 35 and a 60. Multiply that by 5, and we get 217,800, and that is the area of our lot, right? So what happens is we now know the total area, which is this number that we don't know, multiplied by this number, which is 300, okay? What we're going to do then is divide this by the known frontage, and we get the lot depth, which is going to be that of 726 feet, also known as how long is it. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this one. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow.